Alright, just picked up a pizza from Giorgio's, and I'm about to head out in this crazy weather. This is what you guys have all been hearing about in the news the past 2 or 3 days here. Ohio, New York, and Pennsylvania region, which I'm in the middle of right here, are getting pummeled by this winter storm, and it's not fun. Anyways, I'm gonna do a little documentary here because I'm bored driving through this. Alright, here we go. Alright, this is just a little video I'm making. I'm driving my BMW 328xi coupe. This is what it looks like right now. Typical Ohio blizzard going on right now. Got the all-wheel drive and traction control on here, or enhanced traction control. And it's pretty bad outside. You have like whiteout conditions. This has been like this all day today. It's probably about 7:30 at night right now. This radio off. And just giving you guys a view of how shitty our winters are here. This is unusually early this year. We usually don't get this kind of crap till January. But it's beginning of December here and we're already in the midst of it. Doing about 25 miles an hour in a 35-mile-an-hour zone here. You can tell it's just been like this for the past like 48 hours, just non-stop. About to make this turn here, so let's see what we can do. Got a red light. Yep, she's faring pretty nice in the snow. Gotta love this all-wheel drive. DTC activated. And the roads are just, I mean, probably about an inch of snow on the road. It's just how crazy it is. It gets a lot worse than this, believe me. We're in Parma, Ohio here. This is the intersection of State and Pleasant Valley Road. Starting to let up a little bit. More driving through the snow here in Ohio. Gotta love it. Got my all-wheel drive, just gripping along here. Forgive me, I'm not the best narrative person here. Oh, it looks like it's stopping altogether now. 48-hour winter storm. Ohio, PA, and New York area. It's supposed to get worse again this weekend. I'll give you guys another update. There she is. There's my baby right there. This is my 2008 BMW 328xi coupe. In the midst of what X-Drive was born to do. Ohio snowstorm. She's awesome in the snow. Just want to get a quick view at night. Give you a little walk around here. The snow's starting to let up for a little bit, but there's a lot more to come. Awesome car. Love it. Got about like 8 inches of snow on the ground and I haven't got stuck once with it today. Mind you, the roads are plowed, but there's still a good 2-3 inches on the road. Very minimal sliding. Hell of a all-wheel drive system. Thank you, BMW X-Drive. Love it.